Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to you too also. I do mostly subscription box reveals and I do a lot of Ulta hauls. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that little notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified for any future videos that I upload. After you watch this video, if you like the video, please don't forget before you leave to hit that like button, and please leave me a comment on what you would like to see in future videos. Okay, let's get right into today's video, and this is also from Ulta, and I got it from Ulta.com. And this is the Glam and Glow 53-piece collection. The price on the bottom of this says $29.99, and it was on sale for $19.99. And on the back here, hopefully you'll be able to see it in this focuses, this is what the collection includes. They're just the items that are inside, and it comes in this nice, like makeup kit. And it's, I don't know what kind of material it is. It's definitely not leather, but the corners are all reinforced, and it does open up like a regular makeup kit. And then these do slide off to the side. We'll just make them go. And then there's a big opening at the bottom, and on the very bottom, it was a little difficult to get out, but this was what was on the bottom. So you get two makeup sponges that are, normal size. Oh, one is like a true beauty blender shape, but a little bit smaller than a beauty blender. And then this one is this shape. Very nice. And then these two little minis, which I think are adorable. And these would be great for like around your eye with concealer, around your nose when you're trying to blend stuff. You also get bigger than in the kit that I did previously. Let me try to get this. Lip liner in clay and a lip liner pencil in magenta. And then you get an eyeliner black and an eyeliner dark brown. So these are a little bit bigger. And then you get 3 brushes. Of course, they're always going to be. So this is, which I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. This is a crease brush. So this, it's a little, it's soft. I mean, it will blend and do the job. I mean, it's not as soft as some of the other brushes I have. And then this brush is an eyeshadow brush, which you can see. So that would, lay down, you can pack your makeup onto your eye through there. And then this is a blush brush. Oops, I'm sorry. So that's a decent size there. And that's very soft. So, you could use that for blush if you have to, remove any fallout from under your eye from putting your eyeshadow on. I mean, that you could use that for whatever you desire. So that was on the bottom of this kit. So that's nice. Oh, and also, like with every other Ulta beauty collection, you always get a $5 coupon with your purchase. So in this kit, it says you receive 32 eyeshadows, 2 lip liner pencils, 2 eyeliner pencils, 2 shiny liquid lipsticks, 2 shimmer lip glosses, 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, 2 bronzers, 2 large blending sponges, 2 small blending sponges, 1 blush brush, 1 eyeshadow brush, and 1 crease brush. And then obviously you get the makeup kit included. In this little information card, it does just really gives you it's very good information. It gives you the ingredients, what it may contain, the eyeshadow pan sizes. It doesn't give you any of the colors or anything like that on that paper. So we'll start over here with the blush, highlighters, and bronzers. So I will, hopefully this will focus. So there you have the matte nude pink blush, the shimmer pink blush, and this is the champagne highlighter, and that's the rose gold highlighter, and that's the, does that say shimmer? Shimmer, oh, it's not going to focus now. Shimmer bronzer, and then a matte bronzer. Okay. Now these, the only thing I don't like about these is, you know, they're in this plasticky thing. I would assume you could probably pop them out. I haven't tried. And maybe stick them in like a Z palette or something like that this way. Unless you plan on leaving them in here. I don't know if I plan on doing that. And then the, you know, the lid has all the names on it so that you'll know what the colors are. So that's in the top level there. And then in this level is the four. So here you have the shimmer lip gloss there, and then this side is the shiny lipsticks. And the colors, let's see what the colors. So this is Clay. And then this one is, they don't make them easy getting out of these blister packs here. And this is Magenta. That's a pretty color. And then the shimmers are a nude shimmer, and that looks like it's glittery. Definitely has glitter in it. Obviously it's shimmer, but that one seems like it's heavy on the glitter. And this is a pink shimmer, so pretty similar to the previous video that I did with some of the lip glosses, but just a little bit bigger in size. So that's that, and that goes in that section. That's why I said I might not keep them in these things, just because they're a little difficult. And here are a ton of eyeshadows. So let's see, I don't know if any of these. So you have mattes and shimmers, which hopefully all these stay focused. Here are all the colors. I won't read them all off and bore you. So you get quite a few. You know, from light to medium to darks, you know, plums, pinks, matte teal, turquoise, grays, charcoal. So that's good. You get a good variety of color there. And then there is another one with the same amount. Hopefully this will focus there too. So shimmers, and these say creams, right? So it's a matte cream, and your shimmers, bronze, camel tan, peach coppers, rosewoods and blush colors, and rose gold, you know, brick and burgundies, magenta and plum. So you get quite a few of colors. I would assume that you could create a ton of looks with this kit. And like I said, for $19.99, you know, if you're on a budget like I am, I think this is a great kit to get. Plenty of eyeshadows. I mean, even though they're small pans, I mean, the blush and the highlighter and the bronzers are a little bit bigger. And it does look, like I showed you, it does look like they come out. If you have a Z palette, you might be able to pop the eyeshadows out too. I haven't tried. I'm sure if you twist the, you know, the black plastic, that they're probably just glued in. You probably get them out and stick them in the Z palette and have it that way. But I think, you know, this is a great kit if you're trying to, you know, get makeup on a budget and you want a wide variety. A kit like this would be perfect. And this was from Ulta.com. And that's it. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.